Cisco is known for its innovation in networking and for its amazing work culture. But to really know the truth, I spent a day at Cisco, interacted with the employees, and tried to experience what they get to experience every single day. And here's how it went. What fuels innovation over here?
So I think the basic driving fuel for innovation is resources. So at Cisco, we are surrounded by resources all around us. But apart from that, a lot of things, the culture of collaboration, how we can just go up and talk to anybody. We can jump from one cubicle to another without getting intimidated by anything at all. So I think that culture that Cisco drives, and of course the campus that facilitate it all. So that is what fuels innovation in my opinion.
So everyone is talking about the culture, but what is different about Cisco? What is setting it apart?
I think that's a slightly difficult question because I would need a lot of time to talk about it. But it's not surprising that Cisco is one of the great places to work, not just in India, but across the globe. And for me, I think it's primarily the 3 Ps, the place, the people, and our purpose, which in turn work towards powering an inclusive future for all. And it's not just on paper, but in practice. We get to collaborate across all teams. We get to work with people across different experience levels, different roles, different product lines, and there's just no looking back from there. I think it's a campus. I feed off the energy of these spaces, working from a different meeting room, working from a different recreation area, those vibes, those colors, everything, it just adds to it. And it really helps me focus more on my work than just sitting at my desk at home.
Can you tell me about a day in the life of a Cisconian?
That's a very interesting question. I work in customer experience, which means I work with customers on a daily basis. During my shift hours, I'm usually getting on calls with the customers, resolving their issues. That's what I do. But Cisco, there's so much work-life balance in Cisco. There's so much room to do a lot other things. I'm a part of this community which focuses on bringing the early in career folks together. So we do a lot of events for them, and we do a lot of upskilling events. We collaborate with each other. We focus on networking. So these are other things that we do, and it feels like we are building a very strong community here.
I absolutely love seeing how huge the campus is, how cool the breakout rooms are, and how warm and welcoming the people are over here. I had an amazing day. What do you think the best part of Cisco was?